Hey everyone, it's Robin, Art Silent Crafts, and welcome to my studio. It is day 4 in our Advent series, my friend's Advent series, and today I am opening a package that has fabric in it, but I kind of feel something over here. It's bendable, it might just be the fabric that's folded over, but it would almost feel like a seam ripper just based on the way it is. See how it is right there? So let's see. Maybe a plaid. Maybe a red plaid for the holiday season? Oh, my friend, you are so funny. I just used up the last of this fabric on the back of this present little mini quilt that I made. Look at it. Did you know I needed more? You always know what I need. How perfect is that? And it's a nice size. Looks like a 1/4 yard. So this is going to go into my Christmas stash, and I bet you I find a use for it really soon. Now let's see what I sent my friend. 2 more pieces of fabric. And this time I am sending ceramic ornaments that I picked up at Michael's a while back. I never painted them, so maybe my friend might want to paint them or pass them on to someone else who might like to paint them. And there's day 4. I think this is the last one I'm going to show you of it wrapped, but I will show you all of them wrapped and sitting on the table together. I'm totally making things up because I have no idea what I sent my friend today as I'm recording this video, because she has it and I don't, and I'm not looking at the videos until I edit them. But wow, wasn't that a lovely thing that I sent? Oh, I spent days thinking about that. I planned it all year and I have no idea what it was, but I hope you like it, my friend. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.